SSH stands for Secure Shell and works on port 22. It helps administrators make operations over an encrypted channel. Now, although SSH might come in handy when you want to access remote systems, sometimes, but not so often, but it's good to be aware of it, SSH itself can have some configuration vulnerabilities. So let me just quickly show you an example of a poorly configured SSH server. So first, let's search for SSH auxiliaries. There aren't too many modules. And I'll follow the same sequence that I did in the previous videos. And I'll try to discover the version, the users. So I will pick SSH version as my first module. Show the options. Now, because I set the rhosts variable as global, the value is automatically assigned. And there's nothing changed here, so let's run the module. And here's the result. So it contains more details on the SSH services on both machines. You should also make a note of that. Now, I don't want to look for vulnerabilities for these versions, but you can if you want to, and test them in the lab environments if you find any. So, okay then, I'm going to use SSH login as my next module. Show options. And I will allow the user name as password and accept blank passwords. Now, I won't create a dictionary file again. So I'm going to use the file that I created for FTP. And I don't think we need anything more. So let's run the module. Now, here I get a username password pair, vagrant, vagrant. Remember that also. And then Metasploit automatically opens a session for us on port 22. So now we can interact with that session. So now let's enumerate the next service.